So let's start the video. Welcome to Network Beginner. And today's topic is static routing, basically. And I give you the example as well with the practical delivering pizza from Gurgaon to Delhi. So basically, static route is like we have to give the static routes to our checkpoints, or we can say that checkpoint is a router. Okay, and what is this? This is lining. It is a, we can say that it is a highway. And if we place an order, if we because this is a server, or we can say that it's a pizza headquarter. So when a delivery person goes through this highway, he also gives the text, no? So basically, this is not like that directly connected. It's basically lease, or we can say that it's also give the text. So just like that, not like they are means create online. So that's not possible to any company if it is not an ISP or maybe a World Bank. So that's another point. So basically, this is our topology, or we can say that diagram. It's a first checkpoint, second, third. If you can make this is the first, on third you can make it. This is just a like an example, so you can understand very easily. That's why I create such topology or such diagram. So think of a static routing like a pizza delivery. The route is fixed and clear because we have to give the static route to the each checkpoint so they all know each other from where to where to go. Basically, कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाना है. Okay. So the route is fixed and clear. This keeps data packets moving predictably from Gurgaon to Delhi. Perfect for small networks where the simplicity is the key. Static routing basically it's perfect for small networks, not a big network. If you want to know why, so basically there are disadvantages, or there are such limitations. No? Manual updates needed, no dynamic rerouting. Suppose in your in a big company there is no three routes. No? Maybe there are 50, 100, 150, 200. So that's not possible. Na? You have to give all the static routes. Basically, human can make an error as well. That's why. So basically, the static route is best for the small networks. Okay. And here's I create not I create this PDF. I just give the prompt, and this is done by Rama. So that's it. So let's start. Basically, we have to give the IP to the PC1 and PC2 because it's our customer. So let's start. On IPv4 address, we have to give 192.168.2.11 and this is our subnet mask, and we have to give the default gateway as well, 2.1. That's it. And this is our customer 2. Let's start 192.168.2.21. This is our subnet mask, and this is our default gateway 2.1. Okay. Yeah, okay, great. Now we have to give the IP to the router 101 interface. You know, the site 01 interface. So let's start. Just a sec. Yeah. Now give the command no. Configure host name router 3. Okay. Then interface. We have to give the interface. Which interface? 0/01. We have give the IP. Means it's the default gateway to go through the highway, expressway, or it's whatever it is. It's basically a route. Okay. So 255.255.255.0 because it's a /24 class C network, and it's a private network, private IP basically, because it is a LAN. You can see here it's a local delivery, or we can say the local area network. Okay. So now we give the IP address. We have to give the no shut to up the interface. Now see here, this is green. So we have to give that. Okay. Now we have give that interface as well. 0/0/0. Now interface and 000 IP address 22.1.1.2. Now we have to give the subnet mask 252. I think it's 30/30 subnet mask. Then let's check exit. Okay. Now we have to give the router to means checkpoint, so they can route or they can understand where to not means we have to give the static route to find the routes. So now we have give the checkpoint name, or we can say that IP address, configure terminal, host name router 2, interface 01, IP address 22.1.1.1.255.255.255 and 252. And then we have to give the no shut command to open the interface. And we have gives now on 00 interface 000, IP address 1.1.1. I think 2 na 255 255 255 252. No shut. Now done. Now we have give the Gurgaon checkpoint. Okay, the IP, or we can set name, enable, configure terminal, host router 1, interface /000, IP address 11.11.1.1.255.255.252. No shut. Exit. Interface now 1. IP address, this is the private class C private IP 255.255.255.0. No shut. Okay. And now we have to give the IP to our pizza headquarter, means our server 192.168.1.11 sorry. Now we have give the default gateway, and this is our default gateway. So basically this is our topology and this is our diagram, and we did not give any static route yet, so they can talk to each other or not. Let's think and let's try. They know the path or they don't know the path. Now we have to give the simulation mode. Let's try. 1 second. Now we added the filter only ICMP now, because it's the ping I protocol. Now ping what? 192.168.2.11. Oh, yeah, not done. Let's create a packet. Now forward. Alright, go yeah. It's going. Now switch 1. Now router 1. Let's start from here. It is just a sec. ICMP. Okay. And not going to. Yeah. Because router 1 don't know the path where to go. Which checkpoint to go? Let's see. Do show IP route. There is a no static route yet. If we check here, this is 192.168.2.0. means this is command means our network know that, means our router know that path to this network. It is basically, we can say that it's a best practice. Okay, let's see. Network not in table. So basically this is very good command, so please note it down. So our network means our router, or we can say that in router 1 network table, routing table, this network is not available. Okay, not in table. So let's start with configuration IP route, and where we want to go. Our customer in 192.168.2.0 network. So let's see. This is our network address where we want to go, and we have to give the network subnet mask as well, 255.255.255.0. and how we go means हम कहाँ से जा सकते हैं. Let's check. if our delivery partner go from their router one, so basically the delivery partner go means like we can say that a packet or a delivery boy or we a pizza how to go, it's from there router to 0/0 that interface, यहीं से वो यहाँ तक, from there to there. Okay, so we have to give that IP of that 0/0/0 interface. That's it. If we check now, do show IP route, there is a static. And if we just a sec, no, let's see, routing entry for this, no via the static distance metric 0, routing descriptor blocks this, and route metric is 0. Now let's see through simulation mode again. Now ping. Let's see our pizza, our packet, our delivery person go to switch 1. Now to router 1. Okay, let's try if it goes to router 2 or not, because I think जाना तो चाहिए to router 2. Yeah, router 2 तक जा पा रहा, but router 2 doesn't know how to came back to the pizza headquarter or go to where our customer. So we have to give the router 2 as well. The IP route command means the static route. So let's see. Let's see, just a sec. Then IP route. As I already told you on router 1 router 1 means first checkpoint. It's a mid checkpoint, intermediate hub for forwarding pizza onwards. Okay. So IP route. Where we want to go? 2.0 network, 192.168.2.0 subnet mask. Where? कहाँ से? We have to go to our customer home or LAN through their router 3/0/0 this interface and this IP. Now 22.1.1 and .2. That's it. If we show IP route, there is a static. If we check here 192.168.2.0, there is a routing entry. And now let's check our in simulation mode. Let's try now. So that's it. Okay. Now delivery person walking towards or onwards to our customers who wants pizza or packet. So router 1, router 2 denied the packet. But because this is the first packet, so now let's try again. If it goes to router 3 or not, because I have already gave the IP route, means static route. It goes to router 2. And now let's see. Yeah, router 2 goes to router 3. It's an but what happened now? We don't give the static route to the router 3. वापस जाने के लिए भी रास्ता चाहिए ना. Suppose मैं कहीं जाना चाहता हूँ, just we can say that I have to go to Mumbai from Delhi. So I know the path कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाना है from Delhi to Mumbai. But if I don't know the path from Mumbai to Delhi, so how I came? That's how. So we have to give the IP route, means static route, to the router 3 as well. So let's see IP route where the delivery person or pizza or we can say that packet wants to back to go the pizza headquarter na. So we have to give that network address, means the pizza network address, and this is it. फ्रॉम वेयर, कहाँ से वापस जा सकता है? 0/0/1 interfaces means 22.1.1.1. 22.1.1.1. That's it. Do right. Okay. So let's start here. Mhm. Simulation. Now let's check once again. Now let's start. अपना डिलीवरी पर्सन जा रहा है, पैकेट और पिज्जा और वट एवर इट इज गोइंग टूवर्ड्स राउटर 1. नाउ राउटर 1 to router 3. Just think, router 2 to router 3. We also already gave that IP. And now you see there, our pizza reaches our customer. Reach na? Now let's a tricky part here. If you find, so पहले पता कर सकते हैं आप प्लीज पैकेट से पहले पहुंचने से पहले. Now let's see who can find the answer. Now, why router to reject that packet? Give me that answer in comment box. Pause that video and give me that answer. Now let's try to find out. Router 1, router 2, router 3. They all know where to go. But वापस आते समय router 2 doesn't know the path how to go to the pizza headquarter because we didn't give that static route. Because हमने अभी तक static route दिया ही नहीं है. As you already know, we gave the static route to find that address, not that address, pizza headquarter. We only gave that network address to find the customer, not the pizza headquarter. So we have to give the pizza headquarter network address as well. Now, IP route, we want to go on our pizza headquarter network. So pizza headquarter network address, then subnet, we can say that subnet mask or the slash value. And now router 2 कहाँ से जा सकता है? Where? Pizza headquarter. कहाँ से जा सकता है? कहाँ तक pizza headquarter तक? So the answer is router 1 and 0/0/0 interface. This 1.1.1.1. Done. Done. Now let's check again if it is done or not. So let's see. That's it. Now let's see. ना पिज्जा हेडक्वार्टर चला कहाँ तक? this router 1, router 2, बिकॉज अपने कस्टमर्स ने पहले ही अपना ऑर्डर कर लिया था. दे डोंट नो हाउ टू ऑर्डर अ पिज्जा बट आवर डिलीवरी पार्टनर डोंट नो हाउ टू केम बैक. सो वी गिव दैट स्टैटिक राउट टू कस्टमर एज वेल एंड टू द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वापस आने के लिए एज वेल. सो लेट्स सी इफ दे केम और नॉट टू आवर pizza headquarters. So router 3, now router 2, and now let's see. Yeah, it's done. He or she know the path how to came back our pizza headquarters or our home. That's it. This is the static route. It's done. It's a green tick. That's it. So I hope you all understand how the static route works. If you want that PDF, I don't know. It is this is okay, but I don't think so कि ये आपके इतना कुछ काम आएगी. But yeah, definitely I save this Cisco packet tracer file .pkt file, pizza delivery basically, and I share somewhere else through some link or as well. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.